Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Magic Mixie Refill Pack is probably one of the most exciting ways to keep the magic alive after your initial cauldron experience, offering a whole new set of ingredients and a fresh magical creature to discover, ensuring that the wonder and surprise never fade for young aspiring magicians and their families. Number 5. Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender QB3001SS. Introducing the Ninja Fit, a powerful personal blender designed for your busy lifestyle. Its compact size fits perfectly in any kitchen. Unlock hidden vitamins and nutrients from whole fruits and vegetables. It extracts a nutritious drink, blending even the parts you'd normally discard. Crush ice and pulverize frozen ingredients with ease. Enjoy resort-like frozen drinks, smoothies, and shakes anytime. With an intuitive push-to-blend design, it's incredibly simple to use. Just push down to blend your favorite shakes and smoothies. Blend directly in the single-serve cup, attach the spout lid, and take your creations on the go. It's the ultimate in convenience. Cleanup is a breeze as all parts are BPA-free and top-rack dishwasher safe. This blender is designed to fit your life and your kitchen. What we like? This blender boasts a powerful motor for smooth results. It excels at crushing ice for perfect frozen drinks. If you are looking for a convenient way to make smoothies and shakes for your commute, this is the one for you. What people say. It blends great and is easy to clean. Great for 1 or 2 servings instead of a big one. Easy to store and doesn't take up much space. Doesn't leak. Very durable and easy to use for kids and adults. This one is perfect for someone who doesn't have strong hands, wrists, or has arthritis, osteoporosis. No twist mechanic needed here, just put the tumbler on the base and push down. I can also confirm it grinds up anything, meat, veggies, etc., as fine as you would like. The Ninja Fit takes up minimal counter space, making it an ideal choice for those with limited kitchen real estate. But don't let its size fool you, this blender packs a punch when it comes to performance. The Ninja Fit whips up a perfectly blended smoothie in no time. Its powerful motor effortlessly pulverizes fruits, veggies, and ice, resulting in a smooth, creamy concoction that rivals those from pricier blenders. The 2 included 16-ounce cups are a stroke of genius, allowing you to blend and sip from the same container. Number 4. 5 Surprise Mini Brands Series 2. Get ready for an exciting unboxing experience with the latest collection. You'll find miniature versions of your favorite brands inside. There are so many to collect, with over 130 different miniatures from popular brands. See if you can find them all. Experience the fun of unwrapping, peeling, and revealing 5 unique surprises in every capsule. What will you discover? Keep an eye out for special editions. You might find rare metallic, glow-in-the-dark, or even super rare gold miniatures. Collect 6 different miniature shopping accessories to create your own tiny store. Display your collection in style. Each package includes 2 5 Surprise Mini Brands capsules. Get ready to start your collection today. What we like? You can collect over 130 different miniature brands, offering endless collecting possibilities. The unboxing experience is full of excitement and surprise. If you love collecting tiny versions of your favorite everyday items and enjoy the thrill of the unknown, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The size is perfect for displaying on a shelf or for small hands to play with, and the quality of the minis is surprisingly sturdy for their size. These will expand your child's imagination and spark their creativity. The surprises were fun, and she couldn't stop smiling while opening them. Number 3. Craft-tastic Fairy Potions Craft Kit. Unleash your inner magic. Choose a whimsical recipe and start crafting your very own enchanting potion bottle today. With enough magical materials included, you can create up to 9 unique and sparkling fairy potions. Get ready for endless enchantment. Discover a world of wonder with 15 different potion recipes. Will you brew a potion for good luck or one that changes flower colors? Keep your magical creations tidy and accessible. The box conveniently transforms into a special storage cabinet for all your potions and ingredients. Everything you need to begin your magical journey is right here. It includes easy-to-follow instructions, potion bottles, and all the mystical ingredients. What we like? This kit allows you to create up to 9 magical fairy potions with 15 different recipes to choose from. The included box conveniently transforms into storage for your creations. If you enjoy hands-on crafting and imaginative play, especially for those who love fantasy and magic, this is a delightful activity. What people say. There are 9 recipes for 9 jars wherein the only ingredient not provided is water, and 3 recipes calling for other ingredients. The kit includes resealable bags, extra ingredients, particularly the glitters, unicorn hair, fairy wings, and gems, and 2 bowls, a funnel, and a spoon to stir the glitters with. The recipe booklet is well constructed and very cute, and I love the apothecary-style potion display box. Really, every piece of the kit was well designed and thought out. Number 2. Got 2 Glow Fairies Fairy Finder, Blue. Discover a magical world of fairies right at your fingertips. You can search for them anywhere, in your room, the garden, or even upside down. Which enchanting fairies will you find today? Open the heart-shaped lid and witness a dazzling light show as a virtual fairy finds its home inside. Play games and explore new places to increase your chances of catching rare fairies. With over 30 virtual fairies to discover across 4 rarity levels, the fun never stops. Can you collect all 100 plus unique fairies? Trade with friends to complete your collection. Bond with your new fairy companions by greeting them, giving them hugs, or even feeding them. They'll always greet you back when you open the lid and say hello. Show your fairy some love with hugs and kisses. You can even play a fun mini-game, guiding your fairy through the clouds to achieve a new high score. The adventure continues as you bring your jar to different locations, enhancing your fairy catching experience. The more you play, the more fairies you'll discover. What we like. This electronic jar lets you catch over 30 virtual fairies with interactive play. You can even trade fairies with friends to grow your collection. If you're looking for an engaging toy that encourages collecting and social interaction, this fairy finder is perfect for imaginative fun. What people say. The concept is absolutely adorable. It's like catching virtual fairies with a glowing jar. The jar itself is well made and has a nice weight to it, so it feels sturdy while being easy for little hands to hold. My niece loves how the fairies appear inside the jar when it's shaken or moved around. She gets so excited to see which new fairy she can catch next. There are over 30 fairies to collect, which keeps her entertained for hours, and the interactive aspect is great for encouraging imagination and creativity. The light effect when you catch a fairy is very exciting and is quite brilliant when you play inside or outside at dusk. A different tune plays for different fairies, so you can tell immediately if you have a repeat or a unique fairy. Number 1. Real Littles Collectible Micro Handbag Collection. Discover the Real Littles Micro Handbag Collection, a delightful set featuring 5 exclusive, tiny handbags. It's packed with over 17 exciting beauty surprises for endless fun. Unbox a surprise that truly sparkles. Each collection includes a genuine laboratory-grown diamond ring, adding a touch of luxury to your miniature treasures. Get ready for a glamorous surprise. These collections also come with real makeup, perfect for adding a touch of style to your miniature world. Each stylish handbag is bursting with luxury surprises. You'll love discovering all the delightful and exclusive items hidden within. Showcase your stunning collection with the included exclusive display case. It's the perfect way to keep your micro handbags looking fabulous and organized. What we like. Each collection includes a real diamond ring and actual makeup, adding a touch of luxury. The stylish handbags come with an exclusive display case. If you appreciate miniature luxury items and enjoy the surprise of high-end beauty and accessory reveals, this is an exciting collectible. What people say. All the little purses and all the little things were very cute. Better than I expected. The accessories are so cute and the size is so fun. I would highly recommend especially for ages 6 to 10. The surprise trinkets with the handbags were so neat. My niece loved it and the other moms asked where I got it and wanted to get one for little girls they know as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.